lesson?
A math lesson? I thought it was a baking lesson.
It's a math and a baking lesson.
How's it a math lesson?
Like this. We're making cookies.
I like cookies.
Who doesn't like cookies? But in order to make the cookies, we're going to have to do some math.
Why?
The recipe calls for 4 dozen cookies, but Mom says that's too many, so we need to do math. So here's the recipe. It calls for 2 1/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of butter, half a cup of white sugar, a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. This makes approximately 4 dozen cookies. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. But Mom says to make only 2 dozen cookies. That means we have to reduce all of the listed ingredients by half, or a ratio of 1 to 2. That means, for example, for every 2 teaspoons we use 1, or for every 1 cup we use only half a cup. When changing a recipe, we want to keep things in the same proportion, because otherwise things go very wrong. And when you're making delicious cookies, you don't want things to end up wrong. So let's adapt the recipe so it's a ratio of 1 to 2 and everything is proportionally equivalent, meaning the right amount given the new ratio. So, 2 1/4 cups of flour. I'm going to break this up because it's easier to figure out in 2 parts. 2 cups becomes 1 cup, and 1/4 cup becomes an 1/8 cup. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add a 1 to 2 ratio. This one's easy because we're using 1 for every time the recipe calls for 2. So instead of using 2 of these, I'll only use 1. 1 teaspoon of salt becomes half a teaspoon of salt. 2 sticks of butter. Instead of 2 sticks of butter, we just need 1, so we can just put the other one back. Half a cup of white sugar. Half a cup of white sugar, when split into 2, becomes a 1/4 cup of white sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar becomes half a cup of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. But there's no half a tablespoon of vanilla extract on here. But I know that 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. So I can put 1 teaspoon and half a teaspoon, which will be half of a tablespoon. 2 large eggs. Since the ratio of 1 to 2, we just need 1 egg. Finally, 2 cups of chocolate chips becomes 1 cup of chocolate chips. Only we're making chocolate chip / chocolate candy cookies. So instead, we're going to have half a cup of chocolate chips and half a cup of mini chocolate candies, which is still 1 cup. Recipe, we're ready to bake.
Oven at half.
Good question, but no, the temperature stays the same. Not everything is proportionally reduced.
Cooking time?
That would be nice if it only took half the time, but nope, that stays the same as well.
Oh man. It can just be black and it can say like 10 minutes later or something.
Even though we proportionally reduce the ingredients to reduce the total number of cookies, I know there's one thing that we didn't reduce.
What's that?
The taste!